Good morning everyone. Hello mga guys. First my daily routine. Now earlier I will cook filled hot dog. I say. Okay, cheese filled hot dog. Wow, yummy. And also here I will cook adobong sitaw. Oh, ito lang mga spices ko. Meron ding mga pork at saka yung okay, sitaw. Ang daming niluto ko ngayon. Okay, kita mo mga ka-guys. Okay, bye. Thank you for watching.